Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the basic process of making animations in Roblox Studio. This is a simple guide made for beginners. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new place. For animation, it is best to use an R15 character. Go to the Plugins tab at the top and look for the animation editor. If you do not see it, click on Manage Plugins and install the Animation Editor plugin created by Roblox. Now insert a rig. Go to the Plugins tab, open the Animation Editor, and click on Rig Builder. Choose R15 and insert a block rig. This rig is a dummy character that we will animate. Select the rig, then open the Animation Editor again and click Create. Give your animation a name and press Create. You will now see the animation timeline at the bottom of the screen and controls for moving the character. To animate, select a body part like an arm or a leg. Use the Rotate tool to change its position. When you move a body part, Roblox Studio automatically creates a keyframe at that point in time. Move the timeline forward a little, then rotate the same body part again. This creates motion between the 2 points. You can repeat this process to create smooth movement like waving, walking, or jumping. You can also move the timeline backward to adjust earlier poses. If something looks wrong, you can select a keyframe and change the position again. Once you are happy with the animation, click the 3 dots in the animation editor and choose Save or Export. To use this animation in a game, you need to publish it. Click Publish to Roblox and copy the animation ID. That is the basic way to animate in Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching.